Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so thrilled that you decided to come and hang out with me today. I am honestly just chilling at home doing a lot of editing and a lot of filming, and I decided that I'm finally going to do an updated beauty room tour. Because if you don't already know, you may already know this, but Christian and I recently moved, if it wasn't already obvious from the last 6 months of videos. So I do have a new beauty space, and you guys seem to really like the last video that I did of my beauty room and just kind of like showing you guys all my decorations and things like that. And I love interior decorating. Like, I love it. I'm on Pinterest all the time, just pinning beauty room, living room, house inspo, everything like that. So I've had a super fun time just kind of making this space what I've always wanted it to be. And if you guys saw my last video, you know that Christian and I used to share an office. His like desk was on one side and it was like a manly side of the room, and then the other one was my vanity and like a girly side of the room because I moved into his house. So it was kind of like just moving my stuff where it was convenient for him. So now I get my own little area and I'm super excited because it is super cute and I love it, and I just love creating in here for you guys. So if you are anything like me and you love interior decorating, home goods, Marshalls, Hobby Lobby, all that good stuff, then you are in for a treat. But before I get started in today's video, I just want to quickly mention, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys don't have a YouTube channel, it doesn't mean you can't subscribe. I know a lot of people, I've been getting a ton of questions from like my clients and my friends that they don't know how to subscribe to my channel. And if you have a Gmail account, just log in, hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell as well. Not just for me, but any of your favorite YouTubers that you want to watch and subscribe to them and support their channel. Definitely just log into your Gmail and then just hit subscribe. You don't have to have a YouTube channel. I just wanted to mention that because so many people are confused, and I feel like it definitely is a big confusion. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, and now let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. So I kind of wanted to start by walking you guys into the beauty room because it's a little confusing. It's not an actual room, it's back over there. So this is the living room area that we're working on. We just recently got this plant right here actually at Home Depot for my birthday. My dad and my brother got it for me. We picked it out together. I love it so much. I've never had a real plant, but I'm so excited. This is just, it's amazing. I hope I don't kill him because he's beautiful. We called him Stanley. Anyways, when you walk in through these kind of big, whatever this is, this big area, you're walking into the beauty room. So it's directly from the living room to the beauty room. And when you walk in, it's just these big windows right here. And this is the whole reason why I chose this room, was because of the lighting in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera back on the tripod so I can kind of explain everything for you real quick. We're just gonna ignore my outfit, and I'm first gonna show you guys this big old thing right here. This isn't mine. Like, the shelf isn't mine. It's the owner of the house. It's hers, and she was just sweet enough to let me use it, and I love this so much. It goes perfect with my vanity and just showing everything. I feel like every time that I was on Pinterest and I was looking up like beauty room inspo, I would see a shelf with just all sorts of like cute things on it. So I've always wanted one, but I just didn't obviously have room in my last spot. So now that this was already here, I was like, oh my God, that's gonna be perfect for everything. I'm so excited. So I just decorated it really cute with a whole bunch of things that I will go into and show you guys, but I wanted to kind of show you guys the overview. It's not finished. If you guys can see the 4 shelves down there, they don't have anything just because I've slowly been adding to it, and I'm really picky about how it is, and I'm okay with it now. I'm not like obsessed with how I've like set everything up, but I've been playing around with it, and there's some things that I really like and some things that I'm like, I don't really know what to do with it. So just wanted to kind of show you guys that. I'm gonna go in and show you guys everything one by one so you can know where I got everything, and everything kind of zoomed in to show you guys better the products. So starting on top of the shelf right up there, that sign says Empowered Women Empower Women, and I believe I got that from Marshalls. I think it was like $15 or something like that a couple of months ago. And then I recently just found this Chanel kind of frame right here, which I'm obsessed with, and I got that one and this Hermes one from Ross actually, and they were on clearance. They had a lot of them. They had Chanel, they had Burberry, they had a couple of different ones, but it's so cute and I love it, and that model is beautiful. And then I just added my Marc Jacobs. I think Marc Jacobs has like the prettiest packaging ever, so I wanted to kind of display it. So this is a Marc Jacobs highlight stick that I love. And then these were actually at Marshall's, these dewdrops, which I love the dewdrops, but these ones are so dark, but actually work perfectly with like my rose gold theme that I have going on. So I just used it for display, and I didn't pay full price because I did get it at Marshall's, or else I would have just returned it. And then this little ball thing right here, I got it from Marshall's. I still have the tag on it. This is so hard to show you guys. How much was it? I think it was like $8. Let's just see. Yeah, it was $8. I need to take the tag off of it. I don't know why. It's been up there for like months, but yeah, so I just thought it was like really cute. It's made out of like, I guess you could say like metal or wire. But yeah, so that's like the first shelf right up there. And then up here, I have a picture of me and my brother Edward whenever I was a baby. I love that picture of us. I just recently found it right there. So I have that in a rose gold frame that I love. And then this is actually a PR box that I got from Pixie, and I just thought it was really cute, so I kept it. And then I had another Charlotte Tilbury lipstick up here, but that was Pillow Talk, so that one's in my purse right now. But I have displayed my Jeffree Star lip glosses, and then I have, these are the ColourPop Luxe lipsticks, and then like I said, the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just missing one of them. That's kind of annoying, I'm sorry. And then if you move down right here, these two perfume bottles are actually like super heavy. They're real glass, but these both are from Burlington Coat Factory, believe it or not. They have some really affordable things for kind of like decor and things like that, but I believe this was like $7 or $10 or something like that. Definitely not over $10, but they are so cute, and you can actually, well, I thought you could, never mind, maybe you can't remove them, but nonetheless, they're super cute, and I love how they look displayed with this frame right here. And then right here I have this plant, which I still have the tag on. Does anybody else keep the tags on because they're too lazy to take them off? This is from Marshall's, obviously $8. And I love this plant. It's so cute. And then I got this, which actually is a Juicy Couture cup. And I got this from Burlington Coat Factory as well whenever I got those perfume bottles. And then these are all Wet n Wild brushes. I just loved the kind of like pinky silvery color of them. I just hide the one that I used because I'm too lazy to clean it right now. No. Okay, anyways, I have that displayed right there, but I didn't like the silver, so I need to turn that around. Okay, you guys get the point. Anyways, moving on, I got this right here, the Chanel print. I don't know, someone sent it to me. I can't remember who. I don't know, I can't remember. Someone sent it to me though, a company did, and I got this frame right here from Marshall's. Again, too lazy to take off the tag. And then I have my Chanel perfume. I love this so much. And then the lady who owns this house, she's become a close friend of ours, and she's so sweet. She brought me a Gucci lipstick when she was in Italy, and I'm just too scared to use it. It's a really, really beautiful color, but I'm like terrified to use it because, duh. So that stays right there because that's like the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me. And then I got this right here, which Jordan Cook, she got it for me. She's so sweet. She sent me a picture. She's like, look how cute. I'm like, oh my God, wait, I want one. So she looked all around. I believe she got it at TJ Maxx. She looked all around for it again because she got one for herself. Then she got this one for me once she found it again. So a girl should be two things, classy and fabulous, Coco Chanel, which went perfect with that. And then I got this right here from Marshall's. I believe I still have the tag. Oh, no, the tag doesn't say anything. But yeah, this is from Marshall's. And then I got this little thing. This is actually just like a little fake plant, which I got from Hobby Lobby for like $2 or something. And then I just have this frame. I don't really like it anymore. It's cute, but like, it just doesn't go with everything the way that I want it to. So just have it laying down right there until I can find things to put on those 4 shelves. But so far, this is the shelf that I have right there. Moving straight over from my shelves to my vanity, you guys know these drawers right here are the Alex drawers from IKEA. That is a tabletop from IKEA as well, and Christian just built that whole thing for me. Now, this chair is different than the last chair I had at my old house. Now, this is from Wayfair, and Christian got it for me because I wanted a rose gold and white kind of theme, so he got that for me for Christmas, and then we built it as soon as we moved in right after Christmas. And then this mirror right here, I believe is from Kirkland's. And that mirror, who knows where it's from because it's so old and nobody cares where it's from. Everybody knows you can get those at like Costco. I probably did get it at Costco, to be honest. And then at the corner of my vanity, this is super random, but I have a picture of me and Aaron, my other brother, when I was a baby. And then this is actually, his name's Fleece, and he's a Beanie Baby. And my dad got me this Beanie Baby when I was super young, and I've just kept him ever since. Him or her, I don't really know. So yeah, he's just chilling right there. And then I have this little acrylic drawer thing. It's honestly really just like plasticky, and I got this from Aldi. Like, surprisingly, it was really cheap. And I just have some Super Shock shadows and some highlighters from ColourPop, some of my favorites. Love this one right here. This is On the Cusp. Such a good one. I love it. And then I just have 2 Jeffree Star powders and then 2 ColourPop palettes right here. And then my 2 brushes, which I need to clean those desperately. Here is me, what's up? So yeah, and then right above my vanity, I have these 2 frames right here. And I got these both from Hobby Lobby actually, and I thought they just went perfectly together. I know they're not the same size, but it doesn't bother me because I put that one in the middle of where that one is, and I don't know, I love it. It's super cute. And then this right here, I got it from Ross. This says She Is Anything But Ordinary, and it's kind of like gold, if you guys can see. So love that. And so now moving on from the vanity over this way, if you guys watched my last beauty room or beauty area tour, you have already seen this right here. So this right there is from, oh God, where is it from? Oh, this right here is from Kirkland's, and that jewelry box right there is from Pier 1. So this right here just has 3 drawers, and they are mirrored. I just have like some camera stuff in there. And now here's Brutus joining us today, sweet boy. And then right here is my jewelry box. So I just have some necklaces right there, and then it opens up. So I have like my chokers. Ooh, I don't want to knock this bear over. So I have my chokers both on these sides, and then I have this divided into a bunch of different things. And then you guys have already seen this picture. This is like my favorite picture of my brother, just to honor him. And then I have my scrunchies and just some little like hair accessories and my favorite little earrings that I wear all the time. And then this is a glass cross that I got from my brother's memorial service. One of my close friends gave that to me, so I just kept it from there. And then this is a bear force. It's so cute. But yeah, so I kept him right there. My dad got him for me. I think my dad or my brother, I can't remember. And then, yeah, and then when you move on this way right here, so this is actually a door that leads to the backyard. So this is actually a really pretty little area. So it's just like a little porch. And Brutus likes to hang out here. We have all the flowers and pretty trees and stuff like that. And then when you come back in here, this is what you see. I'm sorry if the lighting's getting a little bit weird. The sun is like shining and stuff. So this is another drawer from IKEA. I'm sure you guys have seen them. And I just have like paperwork and like the first 2. I have some extra makeup and stuff. I have a lot of other extra makeup. This is like backup type stuff. So things that I use on a daily basis that I just have extras of if I'm donating to my church. So these 2 right here are usually just donation drawers. And then, by the way, this right here is a mirror from Target. I thought it was really cute because it's rose gold, but we haven't gotten a chance. We were gonna hang it up right there, but we haven't because I feel like I don't know. I don't know if that'd be cute anymore, but I was going to, and now I just left it right here, but it was like 30 bucks or something. And then I have this big mirror right here, and this big mirror is actually from Home Goods, and I found it for like $80, so it's pretty tall. Like I'm 5'2", so I guess it's like 6 foot. But yeah, so I love that. It has like a rose gold kind of trim, if you guys can see right here. That's just all white, solid. It's perfect. It's such a good price too. And then I usually just keep my ring light either like right here or right over here. But yeah, that's the ring light I use to film all my videos. And then I have my shaker cup. But I have my tripod right here, and then this table I actually got from Ross for $20. These are TV tables, but I honestly use one of them to keep my tripod on and one of them right in front of it. I have it like behind this wall right here. So I use both of the tables to film all my videos. The one in front of it I usually have with all like my makeup and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much my beauty room. I don't really have much else to show you guys, but I wanted to kind of show you guys an overview of everything because I am really just loving this space. It's like my favorite place in the house just because you guys know me. I love to create. I love to be here. I've always wanted a beauty room for myself, and now I finally have it. So I don't know, it was just really, really exciting, and I love just being in here. So that is all that I have for you guys today, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know what else you guys want to see down below, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye guys.